Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb, whose fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, her lamb was sure to go. People have called me a little lamb. They say I cannot stand still. People have said that I move around too much. They say I'm full of energy. People have said I should settle down some. They say I have ADD and hyperactivity. I say I make my own way in the world. People have said I should be patient. They say good things come to those who wait. People have said stop and smell the flowers. They say life is made of moments. I say all we are is dust in the wind. I learned something recently, stopping to take a look, but for a moment before I was gone. Well, turns out I was just like that little lamb. All I needed was my Mary.
Drugs are for losers. Stay above the influence.
What are you talking about, man? Drugs are great, man. You could be an intellectual like me.